Hi, I'm Susan.
And I'm Tom.
And we are Excursion
Diversion. We wanted to update everybody on the purchase of some e-bikes for the latest RV round trip that we're taking. We purchased two battery assist e-bikes. Everybody knows what e-bikes are, right? I got a Bulls E50 and you got a...
Evo E-Street.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
And we purchased them from Voltaire in Denville, New Jersey.
Great place. If you're going to buy an e-bike, you got to go there and check it out.
I'll put the link down below.
Mm-hmm.
And to carry those bikes, we did some research to try to find an appropriate carrier. Because they're e-bikes, we decided that we wanted an encased carrier. So something that would protect it from the elements and maybe keep it a little safer.
Yeah, provide a little extra security, you know.
So we shopped around, and so we purchased the black box from a company called Let's Go Aero, out of Colorado. And we had it shipped directly to Voltaire Bicycle Shop in Denville, New Jersey.
And the reason we did that is it comes obviously disassembled, and there are quite a few parts. So we were pretty busy at the time planning for the trip, and it was just one extra thing that we didn't want to deal with. So we had it shipped right to our bicycle shop, and they put it together for us.
Yes, they were very accommodating and agreeable, and luckily enough slow, because it was off-season, wintertime. They assembled it for us, and it took some time. It took quite a bit of time, and there was a lot of back and forth with Let's Go Aero, and there were some issues with what was shipped, but Let's Go Aero did excellent customer service and rectified some of the parts that were incorrect, and it took 2 rounds of us going back and forth, and I have that in the following video, and we'll show you a little details about it. No problem. Get it. It's a big coffin. It's beauty.
All right, so he's not going to lock down. Oh God,
No, I just want to see.
Yeah. I think you might get lucky. I think you're lucky. Made it. You're gonna make it. That's below the ladder.
Put the extender on. It didn't go all the way in for the second hole, so
This is actually a good idea.
Right? Do you have a preference? Which direction the bike closest to the back pieces?
Are they opposite and opposing, like? I mean, this probably would be handy. This would be the back of the bike, right? Or is this the back of the bike?
That's the front.
So then, yeah, so leave the space back in.
Yeah, these things are all adjustable, so I got to bolt it down to the bed
And fit the bike in.
And then we got to fit the bike in and move this stuff around to get it adjusted.
Yeah, fit the right place.
And then this has got to stick.
Okay, wait, hang on.
Oh, you just.
oh, I'm sorry.
Yes, now that you brought up my dad. Oh wait, I brought it. He would say the difficult thing to do. Yes, so we do all. So
Yeah, so put that one on the ground.
what we usually do when we transport the bikes is put a bungee on the pedal so it doesn't move.
Spin.
Keep it from rotating. And you want this.
So the kickstand will be in the way on that one. So
Yeah.
put that's got to stay right where it is.
And then about this fender on this right.
That's what towels are for.
Yeah, we'll put a towel on.
You can shove it down and right in there between that fender.
Yeah.
That's exactly what we'll do.
Let me see what
Yeah.
the deal is with these.
I was kind of hoping my bike would be on the outside because it's lighter and yeah, and this way I could get it out.
So,
Well, now see, hitting.